Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer and all the viewers. Today, our group will present about heat exchanger laboratory apparatus ergonomic design analysis. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce ourselves first. My name is Muhammad Shahmi Hakimi bin Muhammad Zaid, F1037, and my friend is Ahmad Amirul bin Aminuddin, F1055, Ahmad Isrok Munawar bin Abdul Aziz, F1071, Iskandar Zulkarnain bin Muhammad Soekarno, F1049. So let's jump to the contents. The content of this presentation is lead to the identification and management of potential risks. To achieve that, we have been separate the content into four parts. Firstly, description of the product. Secondly, ergonomic features. Thirdly, benefit to the user. Fourth, identify ergonomic problem. Next, let me introduce our product. Our product is an educational apparatus designed for laboratory learning and experimentation. It has dimension of 30 centimeter height, 30 centimeter width, and 80 centimeter length, making it compact and suitable for placement on a standard laboratory bench. The objective design The objective is to design a product that can investigate temperature difference in Rankine cycle using heat exchanger model. So the description of the product. Our product have procedure to follow in case of emergencies. The system include a hot water copper tube, pump, fan, temperature display unit, and flow control valve. The equipment is mounted on a strong metal frame with rubber feet to ensure stability during operation. Next, I would like to pass to my friend.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Israq bin Abdulaziz. My matrix number is 24DKM24F1071. And today I will explain on the ergonomic features on the product. Now I will explain the ergonomic features of our product, which is the main focus of our design improvement. So when designing this apparatus, we did not only consider functionality, but we also prioritize user comfort, safety, accessibility, and maintenance. So ergonomy is important because it ensures that users can operate the system efficiently without discomfort or risk of injury. So first, let's talk about usability. The apparatus is designed with dimensions of 30 centimeters in height, 30 centimeters in width, and 80 centimeters in length. These dimensions allow it to fit comfortably on a standard laboratory bench. The height is suitable for users to operate while standing upright without excessive bending. So this reduces strain on the lower back and improves comfort during longer experiments. So the compact width also ensures that it does not occupy too much workspace, allowing other equipment to be placed nearby if needed. So overall, the size makes the system practical and user-friendly in a laboratory environment. Next, I will explain accessibility. All control and instruments are placed on the front panel. This includes the pump switch, fan switch, temperature displays, and the flow control. By positioning everything at the front, user can easily operate the system without reaching to the sides or back. This design reduces awkward posture and makes operations smoother and faster. It also improves efficiency because user can monitor temperatures and control flow in one central location. Moving on to visibility. So the copper tube that carries hot water is enclosed inside a transparent protective casing. This is an important feature because it allows students to clearly observe the heat transfer process during the experiment. Visual observation enhance the understanding, especially in educational settings. At the same time, the casing prevent direct contact with the hot copper surface. So this reduces the risk of burns, making the system both educational and safe. Now I will discuss safety. So there's a protective mesh guard is installed in front of the fan since the fan rotates at high speed. So direct contact could cause injury. The mesh guard acts as a protective barrier while still allowing proper airflow. So this ensures that users are protected without affecting the performance of the experiment. Safety is especially important in laboratories where multiple users may interact with the equipment. And next, we have the stability. So the apparatus is supported by a strong metal frame that hold all components securely. In addition, rubber feet soles are attached at the bottom. So this rubber feet help absorb vibration from the pump and fan during the operation. They also prevent the apparatus from sliding on the laboratory bench. So this improves the operational stability and ensures accurate experimental results. And finally, we have easy maintenance was also considered in the design. So there's a drain outlet installed at the bottom of the apparatus. This allows the water to be easily removed after experiments. So it simplifies the cleaning and helps prevent water stagnation or corrosion. By making maintenance simple, we ensure that the system remains durable and reliable for long-term use. So in conclusion, our economic design focuses on six key aspects: usability, accessibility, visibility, safety, stability, and easy maintenance. So these features ensures that the apparatus is not only functional, but also comfortable, safe, and efficient for users. That concludes my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Amirul bin Aminuddin. My matrix number is F1055. So today I would like to present the benefits to the user. The ergonomic design provides several benefits. So firstly, the ergonomic design helps to reduce laboratory hazard and create a safer experimental environment. The protective casing and guarded components minimize the risk of accidental contact with hot surface or moving parts. This ensures that students can conduct experiments more safely and confidently. Second, the design minimizes operator fatigue during prolonged laboratory section. Since the control panel is positioned at the front and the equipment height match standard lab bench, users do not need to bend excessively or strike outwardly. This improve this improves comfort and allows students to focus better on the experiment. So third, the system improves learning effectiveness. The transparent casing allows students to clearly observe the heat transfer process inside the copper tube. This visual observation enhances understanding of theoretical concepts by connecting them to real practical application. In addition, the stable metal frame and vibration reduction design improve experimental consistency and accuracy. When the system operates smoothly without excessive movement, the data the data collected during the experiment becomes more reliable. Lastly, the inclusion of a drain outlet simplifies maintenance and cleaning. This reduces downtime between experiments and saves time and effort for both student and laboratory technician. So in conclusion, the ergonomic design not only improve safety and comfort, but also enhance learning quality, operation stability, and overall user experience in the laboratory. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Iskandar Zulkarnain bin Muhammad Soekarno, matrix number 24DKM24 F1049. So I will discuss and present about ergonomic problem identified. So before that, I will briefly describe what is ergonomic. Ergonomic is process of designing and or arranging workplace, product and system so that they fit the people who use them. It also known as human factor. And also, it is also study of people and their relationship with environment around them. To identify the problem of our product, I I reflect to the one fact that uh, human interact with product in four ways. That is, human is occupying act as occupying the workplace. Second, human act as a source of power. The third, human act as an input to the sensor. And the fourth, human act as a controller. With this fact, we can reflect how I identify the problem around the heat exchanger. Although is the laboratory design heat exchanger has been designed with good ergonomic consideration, several area can still be improved to enhance user comfort and efficiency. First, the system may require user to stand for long period during experiment and data collection. Prolonged standing can lead to the muscle fatigue, discomfort in the lower back, and reduced concentration. So over time, this may affect the student focus and overall experiment performance, especially during long laboratory session. And second, the front control panel may not have clear labeling or sufficient color codings. Without proper visual differentiation between switch and control, user may take more time to identify the correct component. This can reduce operational efficiency and may increase the risk of operational error, particularly for new users who are unfamiliar with the system. And the third, the visibility. The visibility of the temperature display depends heavily on laboratory lighting condition. If the surrounding environment is not well lit, students may struggle to read the temperature value accurately. Poor visibility can affect the data recording accuracy and may cause eye strain during prolonged observation. Therefore, while the current design is function and safe, I think improvement such as providing adjustable seating, enhancing labeling with standardized color coding, and upgrading to larger and backlit digital display will further strengthen the ergonomic performance of the product. The conclusion In conclusion, the laboratory heat exchanger applies important ergonomic principles in its design. The product ensures the safety through protective casing and fan mesh guard, while the front panel layout improves accessibility and user comfort. The stable frame with rubber feet increase the operational stability and accuracy, and the drain outlet may make maintenance easier. Although the minor improvements such as better labeling and seating option can be considered, overall the design is safe, practical, and suitable for laboratory learning and experimentation. That's it from us. Thank you.